Smyrna ground, Cessna 46526. Smyrna ground, Cessna 46526 at east ramp, requesting VFR departure to the southwest, ready to taxi.
November 526, wind 3004, altimeter 3033, runway 32, taxi via Foxtrot.
46526, runway 32 via Foxtrot, thank you. Clear rides. Departure.
46526, Smyrna Tower. Left turn after departure, make clear Charlie airspace, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
46526, clear for takeoff, runway 32, make right turn, avoid Charlie airspace. Right turn for southwest.
Left turn.
Thank you, left turn.
Tower Skyhawk 8,
Who was the other one?
Tower Skyhawk 8, Echo Tango, on the right downwind 32.
Feet to the ground.
Cessna Echo Tango, roger. Number 2, traffic is left downwind just past Emerson Archer.
Full power. Holy
Okay,
shit.
we're looking for the traffic. Echo Tango.
There we go.
Cessna Echo Tango, how far out on the downwind are you? You kind of a base down near Nissan?
Yeah, we're about a 3.5 mile downwind. We're left of Nissan.
November Echo Tango, roger. Go ahead and start a base turn. There is traffic southwest of the airport headed toward Nissan on Archer.
Affirmative, start base.
Archer 94.
Inside Echo 8, Echo Tango.
Alright.
Smyrna Tower, Cessna 9421 Zulu, over the racetrack at 2,400 feet, landing Smyrna.
November 21 Zulu, enter a midfield right downwind for runway 32, report on midfield downwind.
We're the Delta, thank you very much.
There it is. Right. Alright, traffic pattern altitude 2,000 feet.
Buick maneuvering at 3,500 shelter zone.
Low. Winchester traffic, Skyhawk 46526 is about a mile off the field, entering the 45 downwind, runway 36 Winchester. 2,000 RPM, a little low. Alright, I beam the numbers, coming back to 1,700, trimming. One, two, three. Nose down. Full power. Winchester traffic, Skyhawk 4652 is pushing me. Alright, flaps are down. Looking for 75. 58.
Traffic, travel area 306 Delta left.
70. Looking for 2 and 2. There we go. Alright, nose down. Clear of traffic. Watching my speed, 71.
Traveler 06 Delta, Foundation 0 Mike Charlie, contact national departure, safe flight.
Or departure, have a good night, 0 Mike Charlie.
Traveler 06 Delta, not in sight, runway 32 clear to land, number 2, the Cessna short funnel.
32 clear land, number 2, 06 Delta.
Alright, runway's made, power's back. Nose down. Thank you.
Skyhawk 526, turn right at Alpha, taxi to parking via Alpha Foxtrot, monitor ground point 4.
562, turn left on, or turn right on Alpha, Alpha Foxtrot, monitor ground, thank you. Oops, monitor ground, 121.4. Alright.
12 Alpha, there's a IFR flight plan on file. You going to keep that, or do you want us to just leave it where it is?
I canceled it through forward flight, but yeah, you guys can remove that on your part for 412 Alpha, please.
Thank you.
Front of ground, 9421 Zulu at West for 32 at Hotel.
November 12 Alpha, give way to the Pilatus southbound on the ramp.
Roger, we'll give way to the Pilatus, 412 Alpha.
And November 21 Zulu, actually you're going to be following an Archer on Juliet southbound. Report him in sight.
Insight 21 Zulu.
Number 21.